Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Tech Niche where we talk about tech that can help you out in your niche. And right now we will be talking about one more mechanical keyboard that I have in my possession, the Ajazz AK33 mechanical keyboard in black. Hi, so this is the second mechanical keyboard na i-review natin or to check out natin dito sa ating channel. Nandito na siya sa aking harapan. Ayan, it's a very small and relatively lightweight na keyboard, especially compared to my first one, which is the Fantech MK853 na katabi natin ngayon at pwedeng ibang self-defense. Ayan, sobrang bigat niya. So we have the normal QWERTY layout ng ating keyboard. You can see control windows and alt. So yeah, again, I would suggest na this is built again for Windows users more than the Mac users. And then we have dito sa right, you can see na pinagkasya yung ating home page up, page down, and then you have the arrow keys. So you have the full function keys hanggang F12. You have the function key dito sa taas. Usually kasi sa mga built-in na keyboards, especially like if you have a laptop or yung common natin na keyboards, yung function key nandito yan sa baba rin eh. Pero this time nasa taas siya. Okay lang din kasi madali siyang ma-figure out kasi kasama niya naman yung iba pang function key, so it doesn't matter. Your escape key is a little bigger than the usual. So if you are interested in swapping out yung ating mga keycaps like what I tried this Fantech natin, yung escape key na to ay hindi yung regular size, ganun din yung sa ating directions. So yun, so kung kunyari you're leaning towards a black na or a darker na kulay sa inyong keycaps setup, mag-black kayo. Kung lighter naman, may white naman na variant ito. This specific one is black keys tapos black switches din siya. Kasi mas linear, mas mahina yung tunog niya kaysa doon sa ating blue keys. Para gusto ko rin na meron siyang direct contrast, magkaiba na yun talaga ay maingay, this is a little bit quieter. I also tried it out when playing FPS sa Valorant at hindi pa rin naman natin ikinagaling, no? Pero I think this gives me a much smoother ride when playing. Ako yun, personal preference. So if I can't say na ganun din para sa inyo, pero sa akin personally, I think I play better dito. Maliban dun sa added factor na mas malapit yung aking mouse kapag ako yung naglalaro, hindi ako nakadipa. Kasi pag full keyboard, nandito na sa corner yung aking kamay. So yung proximity niya in terms of yung ratio rin ng aking screen, since I'm playing using this laptop, mas maganda yung dito kasi compact, intact, at mas nakakapag-focus ako. Okay? So, yun yung mga strengths niya. Yun nga, again, you have to make sure that when you purchase this, alam natin kung ano pinapasok natin. Marami kasing variants itong specific model na to. Meron na siyang RGB, meron din siya nung iba-ibang kulay. I think the white variant comes with the blue LED. This is a black na keys, white lang yung kanyang ilaw. This serves as a great alternative to your full size keyboard kung kayo ay interested in like gaming a little bit more kesa dun sa like full workhorse mode ng inyong keyboard. So ang tanong kasi ngayon ay, sulit pa ba bumili ng Ajazz AK33 kahit 2021 na? Sa akin, I think, honest opinion, super sulit pa rin siya kasi nga yung presyo niya parang sobrang konti na lang idadagdag mo para sa isang membrane keyboard. Meron ka ng mechanical keyboard na pwede mo ring paglaruan or i-design yung iyong keycaps. As you can see, I tried swapping out yung ating spacebar kasi it comes with the spacebar na may Ajazz na logo, pero yan, Ajazz baka naman sa susunod hindi ko tatanggalin yung spacebar kapag nag-review ako. So yan, ito yung try lang natin, and ang tinignan ko talaga dito is yung height like yung height ba nung spacebar ay mas mataas or hindi dun sa mga katapanta niya. And so far so good. Ayan, nakita nyo, aligned naman siya. So yeah, I'm really excited to modify to. Meron na tayong nabiling extra keycaps ng 2 shades of blue because blue is my favorite color. I'll play around and swap it out. Let me know sa comments kung interested kayo makita yung actual process natin ng pagpapalit ng layout at pagpapalit ng kulay ng keyboard nito. But again, as I mentioned, hindi yung mga keys na hindi yung normal na sukat, I'll just probably leave them na black, katulad itong escape, itong delete probably, and this arrow keys, which is okay kasi nga nandito naman sila sa corner. All in all, solid yung keyboard for the price. Kasi again, 1,300 pesos roughly. Kapag may mga voucher kayo, bababa pa yan, 'di ba? Tapos USB-C na siya, so future proof. Again, this is something you can modify. So kung pwede mo kayo bumili ng data cable na mas maganda yung kulay or kung ano man yung angkop para sa inyo. Ako personally, I'm looking into buying like a USB-C cable na blue kasi nga yun yung ating color na i-modify siya. Pero honestly, ease of use, kung gagamitin niyo siya as in pang todo work, take note lang na nakaka-distract yung fact na yung enter key ay second to the last button. Kasi when you look at full-size keyboards, like this one, di ba, nagde-default yung ating fingers na yung enter key ay nasa farthest away before the second segment. So, dito sa ating Ajazz AK33, dahil yung ating enter key ay hindi nasa pinakadulo, I found myself having a little bit of trouble natandaan na nandito lang siya. Kasi pag nag-default ako sa keystrokes ko, napipindot ko yung page down, which is katabi ng enter key. Pero again, wala namang hindi nasasanayan kapag laging ginagamit. So, masasanayan nyo rin siya. And bakit ako interested dito? Kasi, in case na hindi tayo work from home at pabalik na tayo sa work, it's lightweight enough and portable enough para bitbitin din. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mas-sacrifice yung nasanayan ko ng typing experience even if I have to work somewhere else or bumalik sa office. At dahil USB-C ang ating cable, hindi ko mapapraning na baka ma-fold mo siya sa iyong pag-transport. Hindi katulad ng mga keyboards like the Fantech MK853 na built-in yung kanyang cable. Okay? Ngayon, isa pang gusto ko dito is, dahil ako personally, ang setup ko ay nasa left ang lahat ng cables. It fits well na nasa left din itong ating USB-C. As you can see here, yung ating mouse. Ayan, so sobrang laki na space dito. Hindi nagagalaw kasi nasa left side din talaga yung saksakan ko, yung mga ports ko. So, Ajazz AK33, bibilhin mo pa ba ngayong 2021? Depende sa budget, depende sa pangangailangan. And I hope nakatulong naman kahit pa paano itong ating short review. Sa akin personally, so sulit kasi nga I'm able to share this experience with you. I'm able to play around and, di ba, mag-modify or mag-mod ng mga keyboards na ito without worrying na sobrang mapagastos ako or magasgas ko yung keycaps kasi nga hindi siya ganun kamahal, hindi pa siya masakit sa dibdib. And honestly, kasi meron tayong vouchers. Now, if you want vouchers for Lazada, Shopee, Nike, or any other marami pang iba pang merchants, you can actually check out yung link sa description box. Meron dong Citibank card application. If you use that link and you qualify for Citibank na credit card na application, you can get up to 5,000 pesos worth ng vouchers. Diba? Malaking bagay yung 5,000 pesos worth of vouchers. And you can build up or boost up yung inyong work from home setup. And marami kang pwedeng mabili doon tulad ng ating mga Wi-Fi bulbs and other tech that we use to make our work from home setup a little bit more cooler or a little bit more enjoyable. Okay? So again, Ajazz AK33, sulit for the price, solid build, magaan, portable, matibay naman. So far, medyo binugbog ko siya for this week. And ang ganda rin ng kanyang rubber feet. And the LED lights are so bright. Try it out for yourself. And thank you for joining me in this episode of Techniche. I'm Coach Abby. Thank you and see you sa next nating video. God bless. Stay safe. Be better.